Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. This is Wayne. He is sniffing the new watch that I got in, and this is an unboxing video. As you can tell by the title, it is the Seiko Arnie. That's the nickname. Solar watch, the model number SNJ025. Um, you know, I was in the market. I've been in the market for a solar watch for a while. I kind of dig just having that kind of technology. I have a quartz watch with my G-Shock, automatic and manual watches. And speaking of a quick check of the wrist, I have my Hamilton Field khaki mechanical. See you later, Wayne. Okay. Um, so I've been in the market for a solar watch, and I figured I'd probably get something like a Citizen Eco Drive, some version of whatever eco drives they have out there. I wasn't really looking at Seiko. I kind of felt a little, burnt out with Seiko. Um, but a few weeks back, I had the privilege of reviewing a solar tuna from, lent in by Chris from the Watch Lounge channel on YouTube. And I really liked it. And now I know that the Arnie's much bigger, but I really liked how the solar tuna fit my wrist. And so I thought about it. And the other day I texted my buddy Ryan. Um, I was looking for what kind of watches should I go out there and try to facilitate so I could do some reviews. I need to bring in some more watch reviews, unboxings and whatnot. And he suggested the Arnie. So I looked it up and found what I thought was a decent price and on Amazon, and I picked it up. So let's just do a quick unboxing here. Now that I gave you a little bit of the background, and I will be doing a proper review in probably a week or so. Now usually I do these on Fridays, but I really wanted. Wow, that's pretty cool. I really wanted to get this watch on wrist really fast because I just was really super curious about it. And there it is right there. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Now I think this is a 48 millimeter case diameter, um, which is big. Big for me. I have 6 3/4 inch wrists. Um, and the lug to lug looks like I think I saw something where it was like 51. So this is pretty much the max lug to lug that I will go. I have a couple of watches that are that long. So I really prefer something less than 50, more like 48. I think this is about 14 to 15 millimeter case thickness. And let me put this. Here's the tag right here. Seiko Prospects line. This is a reissue of a watch from the 80s. It's nicknamed the Arnie after Arnold Schwarzenegger. He wore this watch in a couple of movies, I think Commando and Predator. Get to the chopper, right? Get to the chopper. All right, all right. That's my imitation. So I'm just gonna take off my Hamilton and put this on wrist. Wow. So the strap, the rubber strap, is actually much more than what I expected from Seiko. If you had bought a Seiko SKX on the strap like I did, I don't know. I mean, the strap was just not the greatest, and I rushed to get a bracelet on it, or a NATO. Oh, a metal keeper. So we'll see. See about that. I never had a metal keeper. There's people out there, they either like it or they don't like it. There's no in between. Wow, that actually, I don't know, that actually sits pretty well. Fairly light, really light, lighter than I thought it would be. Let's get a little closer look here and bump up the brightness of it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. Well, man, I'm pretty excited about this. So I'm gonna keep it on for the next week or so and expect a review. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates when I upload updates, so you get a notification. I love making these videos, and I hope you like them too. And if you have one of these, feel free to put in the comments below and tell me what you think about it. Okay, guys, see you soon.